Imagine a persistent, low-frequency hum, audible only to some, driving people in the quiet town of Taos, New Mexico, to distraction. For decades, residents have reported this mysterious sound, a deep thrumming that seems to emanate from nowhere and everywhere at once. It's not the wind, not traffic, and definitely not the refrigerator. It's something else entirely, a sonic enigma that has baffled scientists and locals alike. The Taos Hum isn't just a fleeting oddity, it's a documented phenomenon. People describe it as a rumble, a buzzing, or even a distant engine. Some wake up in the dead of night to its unsettling presence, while others can only hear it indoors. Investigations by various organizations, including Los Alamos National Laboratory, have tried to pinpoint its source, exploring possibilities from geological activity to secret military experiments, but no definitive answer has ever emerged, leaving the mystery of Taos vibrating in the air. So what is this phantom sound? Is it a collective hallucination, a strange atmospheric condition, or something far more complex we don't yet understand? The Taos Hum remains one of America's most enduring unsolved mysteries, a constant, unseen presence that reminds us just how much of the world around us might still be a puzzle waiting to be heard.